Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok. Something went wrong, try again later. So guys, when you open your TikTok on your mobile phone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, now you can see when I am going to open my TikTok, as you can see here, and guys after this you can see I am facing this issue, and again guys when I am clicking on retry, then facing this issue that no internet connection. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings on your phone, as you can see here, and guys simply after opening this you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys you need to connect any Wi-Fi with your phone. So guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and guys if have Wi-Fi, then you need to connect it, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And secondly, you need to scroll it down, click on app management, and guys here you need to click on app list, and guys here you need to find TikTok. So guys, simply you need to find here TikTok, and guys after this you need to click on here the option of storage and cache, and guys you need to click on clear cache. And after this simply you need to go back, and guys you need to open your Play Store here in your phone, and guys here you need to search TikTok. So guys, after searching TikTok you need to update your TikTok from here, as you can see simply you need to click on update, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, now I am going to open TikTok app here, and guys now I am going to check that my problem has been fixed or not. So guys, when I am opening my TikTok app, so guys now you can see here my problem has been fixed. So guys, after doing these methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on system, and guys you need to click on here is the option of reset phone, and guys click on reset Wi-Fi settings, click on reset, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to update your phone to latest version. And guys after doing all the methods your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.